Hello, Half Full Monty here. Just finished re-winterizing the old Perlita 2019 Casita Spirit Deluxe, and just got back. Well, not just, but our last camping trip. As you can see, I haven't quite finished cleaning up from the trip. Went down to a non-rally, fiberglass non-rally at Matagorda Nature Park in Matagorda Bay, Matagorda, Texas, where the Colorado River goes into the ocean there at the Gulf of Mexico. It was rainy, cool, and mosquitoes were out in force. So there wasn't a lot of stuff to do. If you did, you can watch out. You got ate by mosquitoes. But anyway, that is the first trip that we've had since you can look at my other videos, past videos of my toilet replacement. Here I got a Dometic, I believe it's a 311. It's a ceramic toilet, and I have to say I was very impressed with it. It's more stable. It's taller than the other one, which it works better for us. Individually, it might not be that good for you, but it worked just great. It's so quiet. The flush valve on it works so well, and it's so quiet. And it's got antifreeze in it right now because I just winterized. But it fills from these little holes around the bowl here, and which unlike the other one, it just squirts out the side and everything. You can barely hear it or see it. It fills up very quickly, and every time it fills up, because it goes all the way around, it kind of washes it every time you fill it. And it also has the feature where if you have a Casita, you know that how you know somebody's through in the bathroom is you can hear that lid flop, anyway, you can see it's got the old slow-mo action going on there. So anyway, I just wanted you to know that one trip down and the Dometic replacement toilet, the trouble I went through it, I hope it'll be worth it. It'll last many more trips. But so far, so good. And so I just wanted y'all if you're having some of the issues that I had to replace the flush valve on the original factory toilet. It was loud. It was plastic. It was lightweight, but anyway, and changing it out, you just have to see the video. It's good that I don't have hair, because I would have pulled it out trying to get that thing figured out. So anyway, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Half Full Monty out.